Everyone, it's Teacher Tanya. Today, we are going on a fun adventure to become puzzle creators by making our own Kahoot games. This video is especially dedicated to the puzzle creators from Year 4, Camilo, Mariana, Ivana, Juan Pablo, Juan Diego, Karim, Domenico, and Elena. I can't wait to play your Kahoots. Let's get started. Well, the first thing that we need to do is to get into Kahoot.com. In there, we need to create an account. It is for free, clicking on this button. Choose the account type that you are going to use, in this case, a student. Put your data, and I really recommend to do this with the Gmail account of the school. Once you have your account, you can log in and start creating. We are using my account as an example for this video. So you click on login. I also recommend to enter by using the continue with Google option. So you can just enter by opening your Gmail in the computer. There, by clicking on this button, create Kahoot and blank canvas. First, we go to the settings. In here, you can write a title and the description. It is very important that you choose something catchy and that has something to do with the topic that you are using. For example, if I want to create one about fractions, and a little description about what it's going to be about. Of course, use your imagination, add pictures, add images. Choose if you want it to be public or private. Always choose public so we can all play. And of course, the language, English. If you already have some folders, you can start organizing by here. Once you are done, still you can keep making changes in your settings if you feel like at the end or meanwhile you are editing the questions. So there are two types of questions that you can do in the free account. There are quiz and true or false. You can add more questions in here. Add question. This one is from multiple options. This one from true or false. In each one of the questions, you can set the time limit that you want people to spend in that question. The points, if maybe it's a double point question because it's harder. And the single selection option, right? The multi one is only for the premium account. Of course, you can also duplicate the configuration or the question if you want. But also, when clicking in Add Question, you can also find in the library of Kahoot. So for example, if I am doing about fractions, in this case, I can write fractions, and here we are going to have some options of questions that maybe I can use in my Kahoot. For example, fractions are every word useful, fun, interesting. Okay, what do we call the following fractions? If you choose any of them, you click on the bottom Add, and here it is in your own Kahoot, and you can make the configuration of maybe some questions in here, change the options, the time, and everything. Here you have some option of changing themes and of course the preview. Please, I recommend to have the Kahoots between 10 and 15 questions. And of course, before playing, make the preview how it's going to look, and if you have made any mistakes that you can change. And after that, you save. Of course, it lets you know that you haven't finished, but you can keep your draft. And here you are going to have your library. I really invite you to create a lot of Kahoots and that we can play in class. Congratulations! Now you know how to create your own amazing Kahoot games. Remember, use your creativity and the things we learn in math to make your questions super fun. Thanks for watching and learning with me. See you soon!